Hi Linda, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Ari, my friend daughter's getting married, no. So I went to stitch that this top and skirt, no, for me. Yeah. I went to stitch. So that was I didn't carry a call, man. There. Yeah. So I told him, man, देखो मेरे को size बराबर चाहिए, छोटा नहीं चाहिए, बड़ा नहीं चाहिए. जो measurement लिया वही चाहिए. Then what? Or you know what? Then what happened? And he told me, see, you come in the so and so date, no, and you come and take your skirt and top and go. I went and I got to the see in hurry. What I did, no, I put that what dresses, no, I put it that this one bag and hurry. I brought it home. I have so many works to do, man. No, yeah, no. These people they keep you on my toes every time. Savio said no. Savio said no. See, Joyce, you put that top and skirt. And I want to see. Man, how his t-shirt and all. So what? Now in hurry, I put this one is making hurry. And he came. I put her. He came. Savio fell down, man. Yeah, he fell down. Ah, you're going to come like this at the wedding. I told him, what is wrong? I saw the skirt and I got scared. But I said, no. I'm not going to come like this at the wedding. I'm going to give that fellow one catalan in his head. Then, I want to see the skirt. I can't show you now. What I can do? I'll come in your house now. I'm passing from there, no? I'll come and show you what the skirt you did. Then what? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bye. See that fellow what he did my skirt? I'm going to give a one cut on his head only. You all want to see what he did? But don't laugh, Don't laugh at me, I'm telling you first what you wait to fit. Actually, me. See, this skirt I'm going to wear for the wedding and go. Everybody will fall men over there. It will be so embarrassing men for me. Share men with this. What am I going to do? Like, share and subscribe, okay? Bye from Auntie Joyce.